evening, Timothy.
Are you, feeling okay?
I've been somewhat better.
Why are you pulling the night train?
87546 told me to take the train. Said that a grand engine like him needs plenty of rest.
What about Alid?
He couldn't be asked.
Have you gotten any sleep lately?
Not really. I've been stressed out lately.
Oh my.
Yeah, but I don't think I can go on for much longer. I can barely stay awake.
Tell you what, I could take the night train.
You? You couldn't.
Actually, I can. I used to take heavy passenger trains before I came here.
Alright then. Thanks, Tim.
No problem. And it's Timothy. I don't like it when people call me Tim.
Oh, alright then.
Before you go, the train is only a 30-minute journey to Suddery, which is in the Brendan branch.
Ah, alright. And for the night train, it just runs to Vickstown. Another engine will be taking the rest of your passengers to the other railway.
Got it. Is there anything else I need to know about?
I'm pretty sure that's just it.
Alright.
Thanks again for taking this train for me, Timothy.
That's what friends are for, right? That's my god. I'll see you tomorrow, 9-8.
Was there something else I needed to mention to him?
Hey. There.
You're a...
Hey, tank engine. I know.
How did you...
The original engine, broke down. Yeah, broke down. And I had to take his train for him.
Impressive.
I know. I'm so proud of myself. Anyways, where are the sheds?
What?
You know the sheds. Vickersound sheds?
What for?
You feeling alright? Pretty sure I want to get some good rest.
You don't get to rest when pulling the night train.
I beg your pardon?
What? Did the other engine not tell you? When pulling the night train, you don't just come here and call it a day. You just take back the coaches to where they were from.
Seriously?
I know, right? That's just bullshit. Going back and forth, it's just not right, you know? That's my guard. By the way, I didn't get your name.
It's Timothy, but most of my friends call me Tim, which I really hate.
Okay. Goodbye, Timothy. Hopefully we'll meet again soon.
Oh my god, what does he want?
Surprised to see you here.
Fuck off.
You seriously still hate me for what I did?
Of course I do! You killed him right in front of me!
He was pissing me off. What did you want me to do anyway?
Ignore him like any other steam locomotive.
I tried that, but he still kept on doing it. And to my surprise, you, out of all engines, didn't even bother to help me.
Well, I don't regret what I did. I cared for you, yes, but I didn't want you to do these bad stuff. Ever since you did that, you haven't been feeling yourself lately.
Oh, shut up. You left me behind, you little prick.
And so what? I had to finish the job.
So you're saying that doing your job is more important than helping your friends? That's what I thought. You're weak and pathetic, and a coward who just runs away from his friend. Just like
Shut your mouth, you stupid piece of fuck! You are the monster. You like killing. You're a pussy. You couldn't defend yourself against the other engines. I had to be there for you, because the so-called bad engine couldn't talk properly. He couldn't think properly. And he clearly has no friends. Why am I wasting my steam on you? I have a train to pull.
Did they do it? Driver and fireman jumped the coach's wheels. Good. Now I just need to make sure he didn't know about the viaduct. I've got a question. Go on. Why Timothy? He has been there for you, hasn't he? Even when you were first built? Timothy was never there for me. He didn't even bother helping me. He just made things more complicated. That's why I wanted him dead. Because he didn't have your back? No, for being such an arse back at the workshops. I'm going back to the sheds. I'll see you next week. Yeah, see you next week. Hey Timothy, you feeling okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, driver. How much further?
Just 2 more hours and we'll make it there.
Alright. God, why did they make this hill so steep? Josh, what was that sound?
Oh shit, something happened with the coach's wheels.
No, Josh, do something! I'm already going fast! Brakes, driver, brakes! Whoa, what the hell? What happened to the viaduct? Wait, how the hell did 9-8 get to Wellsworth if the bridge was demolished?
Oh, that's what I forgot to tell you.
What?
The Fat Controller demolished the bridge yesterday. Heard it felt a bit unstable for the engines.
Okay, but how did 9-8 get to Wellsworth?
The controller said that all engines had to take the longer way to Wellsworth.
Well, that explains it. But let's stop talking and get away from the...
You were right the whole time. I was a pussy. I was a shithead. But why? You abandoned me, remember? When I was getting into arguments with the other LBSE engines? Yet you did not do anything. I wanted you to be on my side. But ever since you did that, oh, fuck this.
I do sympathize with the fat director, but he was a little hard earned money he had on a mine. An antique and an invalid. I'm the rear bargain, the strength of 3, for the coal and water consumption of 1.
Bloody morons.
Time for
Honestly.
The fat director favors engines with good character. You will leave much to be desired in that department. And where